I'll give you one guess who slept in this morning. Yeah, it's me. I slept in. It's okay, we're here now. Today I'm representing the Teeny Tiny Toy Team, aka Boot Sale Buddies, the merch. Check out the merch. I've also got with me, courtesy of Big Johnny C at Teeny Tiny Toy Team, new mascot, Dickius Maximus, as I like to call him, Biggest Dickus. He has a wife, you know.
You know what she's called? She's called Incontinentia. Incontinentia buttocks.
So we give him a little rub. See what kind of look he can bring us today. See what happens. Go on then, I'll give him a little kiss. Let's just go see what we can find. We're also on the lookout for Lego legend that is Trainer Kenny, because I was supposed to pick him up, and Skylander Slayer Oliver as well. Better go find him, haven't we? Come along, bigger stickers. Bruh. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get to find out what it's like to show up late. It's already absolutely heaving. It's already heaving. Get to find out what it's like turning up as a regular person. See if we still find anything at all. We shall see. Morning, lovey.
Good morning.
I'm here. Don't panic.
And I've got with me today.
Yeah, I understand. My friend came and bought some earlier.
Yeah.
How many more have you got at home? Tons?
Maybe 150.
Really?
200.
Really? I think I want them all.
There are good sellers out there.
Yeah, I've sold a few of the Raiders ones already, yeah.
Yeah. But as I said, your friends just bought a lot.
Yeah, he bought some on my behalf, yeah. I said to him, just go and grab them.
Yeah.
I like the ones best with the graphics on. So if you save all lemons.
No, there's not many of them. They're all gone there.
Right.
Now. Yeah.
But I could save you what I've got.
Yeah.
There's some left with graphics on. There's some blackness with them on.
Some black ones with them on? Yeah, Raiders ones.
You bought some this morning.
I know, that's what I mean. I've got some of them, but not many of them left. There might be some more, mate. Tendon will come across a lot more.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know we had all these.
Yeah.
And I found them the other day. I don't know what's left to be truthful with you.
Right.
I don't.
Well, if you take my number and you ring me with numbers, because see, I don't get here all the time.
No,
I've got up especially this morning. Actually, I slept in, but I've got up and come especially to get these off you. How many do you reckon you've sold all together?
I don't know really, but we sold a lot.
Maybe 200.
Yeah.
But I didn't even know he had these, as I said. It just, chance just
We
sorting
didn't realise we had as many as we
No,
had.
we didn't, because we just didn't know. We're just sorting out. I thought, we'll have to get this job done. And I thought, well, decent weather's here.
Yeah.
We'll do it. Bag this morning then.
Cowboys.
Come out.
49ers. Cowboys.
I couldn't take it if you wanted.
Cowboys. 49ers. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 of them. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Lego legend that is Trainer Kenny.
I'll use that then, I'll put them in.
33 and 33.
33's got
99 is that?
£99, yeah.
Yeah, nice, isn't it? So, yeah.
Skylander Slayer. The Skylander Slayer.
Yeah, I'm going to give you a good quiz with a pen. If you more than that's 100 quid. Give you more pens, there you go. You'll never have a pen again, will you?
I'll never go short. That's enough pens, I don't need that many pens.
No, you've got enough pens here.
That's my number. That's you sign.
You sign here for that back. That's it, you've got the
caps and they give you some money, don't I? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As long as anyone will fuck.
That's a little mouth on open that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you cheeky bugger.
That's what I am. It's pretty cool. Rise of Skywalker. Sealed. How much is that, Lily? £2. £2. I'll have for £2. don't have any more, do you? Cheers, boy.
Sorry for no change.
It's alright.
Cheers, man. Thank you. Cheers.
How much is this, brother?
£3.
Is there something missing off the front of it there?
Oh, I see.
What's that?
Possibly.
No, I'll take it through. There you go.
So,
Cheers, brother. Wally.
much heads.
Huh? You saying?
Footballer says, no, you're not having a sword.
You buy me the sword.
Let the kid have a sword. Why can't the kid have a sword? Of course you can have a sword. How much is your sword? £2 for the sword.
He's not having.
He's old enough for the sword. How old are you, Oliver?
I'm not.
I'm 12.
12. He should have 2 swords by now. At 12. When I was our age, I had an old collection of swords. We go to Jobby and get some brekkie.
Yeah.
Saw a patch.
Still good, love.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, right back from you. Made out of baseball gloves.
Oh, we've got some, yeah. Maybe for
Yeah, they made out of baseball gloves.
university. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got. Yeah, I've got a few, yeah.
What you got on this, Dan?
Ten after you.
Tenner.
No, not you. I'm talking to him.
Tenner for an hour, I think. Bargain.
Yeah, they'll do. 20 bags, man.
It's
20
clean.
quid, that's definitely.
Let's get it, Billy.
He's a good liar than me.
Break the ice. Next item I buy off you might be 10 grand, not 10 quid.
Cheers, Bill. I have to take these now because there's a lot of fakes going along.
Right, so.
Where are you going next, Bill?
Tuesday, Stan.
Yeah,
Tuesday.
top my head.
I'll set an alarm.
Yeah.
How do we get you cooking? How do we go get some bacon and stuff from there? and I'll come back to yours. You get bacon and sausage on? Bargain idea is that? I'm joking. What? I'm not joking. Yeah? Why not? Can I have a look at that Lego I brought you? Sounds like a plan to me, Kenny. I'm buying your cooking. It's like Lego legend trainer Kenny's making brekkie. Cheat day.
One pair of pants later.
Can't lie to you guys, I'm still very much half asleep. I cannot believe that I slept in on carboot today. That's so unlike me.
You fat, bloated, stupid, idiot!
But at the same time, we did manage to still find some decent stuff. Let's have a good look at what we found today. Oh, before we do, make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. 70% of my viewership are not subscribed. What are you playing at? And make sure you give it a little tickle tickle as well. Tickle tickle. Tickle tickle. Likey. Me like it. So very much the main reason that I got up at all today and had to rush off to the car boot, I had to make it today because I had to pick up some of those baseball caps. Luckily, Lego legend that is Trainer Kenny was on the other end of the phone to rescue the day. Save the day. Trainer Kenny, go get them caps. He grabbed up the Raiders ones for me, and then when I got there, I cleared up the rest. So we've got 12 Cowboys caps. Not bad, not bad. We've got 7 of these here 49ers caps. Not bad. Repping it. Brian Harvey, eat your heart out. We got 8 Georgetown caps. All those, I think I've got them priced up at something like £30 each. I think they will sell. I've got them shipping to America as well, so I think they will sell given time. 7 more of these awesome Raiders caps, which I have already sold 3 of them this week for £25 each. Whew. I can pay £3 each for them. That's awesome. And they do suit me quite well, I would say.
Ooh, somebody stop me!
Finally, we got 5 of these 49ers, rather stylish ones with the graffiti style text on them, same as the Raiders. I think these will do really, really well. I think these will be good. Wally, have you got a comp on these? Or are we the only guys that got this? Style. You can't handle my style. Pew 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 pew. Ah.
Oh my car! Oh my god, it's Mark Zuckerberg! Oh my god, how do you do that?
We didn't buy a whole load of things today, but like I said, there was some good stuff. We got this here BB-8 and R2-D2 Star Wars Rise of the Skywalker set. Not bad. Looks like it was bought from I think that's Matalan. TK Maxx. That might be TK Maxx label. £2 for that. Gotta be worth £2 all day long. Wally, is it worth £2? It's gotta be worth £2. Got this huge trash compactor dumper truck from Wally. No, I didn't say Wally. I said Wally. Yeah, £3 I paid for this. You won't believe. Do believe. Make sure you believe how much this sells for.
Drum roll, please.
£50. That's what I thought. £50. Wally. Ooh, wow. Right, Evie, calm down. Yeah, pretty awesome buy that, isn't it? Pretty awesome buy that. And just as it happens, I've got some of the figures that go with this. I've had sat in a bag somewhere in the loft forever. So I'll probably pair those up with it. It's heavy, man. I'm starting to ache now. Yeah. Last but not least, not in terms of the value of this particular item, but what it might lead to. We've got this Mickey Mouse cassette recorder by Bush. Paid Stan £10 for it. Probably worth around £30. I just like the artwork on the box, to be honest. That was pretty cool. And it could lead into something pretty good. Because Stan's got a whole load of vintage toys he found in the loft. So I should be going to see him soon. Let's just say, watch out for the video on that one. If he'll let me record. If I end up buying anything. I hope I do. Yep, probably resells for around £30. I think I saw one listed for 30. Paid 10. I just like it. It looked cool in the shop. Pretty cool. Mickey Mouse. Disco time. And that's going to be that for this one. Quick one, that, wasn't it? Serves me right for sleeping in. I probably missed loads of awesome stuff, but no, don't think about it. I didn't miss anything. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm sure I didn't miss anything this morning in the early hours when all the best stuff was found. It's okay. I must have needed the sleep. I slept through 2 alarms and 2 phone calls. So I must have needed it. It's fine. Don't matter. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. It's fine. Until next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch one of these here videos over here. Ciao for now. Bye bye. Okay.
Goodbye, my love! Bye!